Alright, YouTube watchers, here we have this Panasonic King Arthur. I got this fan from Habitat. I picked it up for Matthew Orat. This thing has a huge spinner motor inside of it. Did not come with canopy screws or blade arm screws. I found some at Home Depot for it. Let's go ahead and start this thing off on low. So, high, medium, low. Runs silent, moves good air, it's perfectly balanced. It's a very good fan, actually. Low speed. Medium speed. High speed. And they spin down. Overall, nice fan. I like how the vents look on this one. Not much for GE vent fans. This one has a very unusual vent pattern. Definitely would take the light kit off of it if I was going to keep it. But it's not something I'm really that interested in. It's cool. I'm glad I was able to test one. But that's it. You can tell just based on how big that switch housing is, how big that motor is. That motor in there is huge. And you can definitely feel the weight. This thing weighs more than a Casablanca or any other junky spinner fan. So this is one of those really good ones. I got lucky actually finding all the parts with it, so that's good. There we go. Thanks for watching.